Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Fiat 500 versus the Hyundai i10. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular city cars unique, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. From their distinct designs to their driving dynamics and everyday practicality, we'll cover all the essential details. Let's explore their key differences and similarities right now. When it comes to driving, the Fiat 500 delivers a fun, nimble feel, perfect for navigating tight city streets with its compact size. The Hyundai i10, on the other hand, often provides a more composed and comfortable ride, making it a solid choice for daily commutes. Each car offers a distinct driving personality, catering to different preferences behind the wheel. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, the Fiat 500 charms with its unique interior design, though rear space can be snug. The Hyundai i10 typically offers a more spacious and versatile cabin, with better boot capacity for your groceries or luggage. Both vehicles come equipped with a range of infotainment and safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for urban adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.